Welcome and congratulations to the winners of the Pursuit Competition Men. First position, Jakov Ak, Slovenia. Second position, Simon Schemp, Germany. And third position, Martin Foucault, France. Jakov, before the start, did you think you could repeat your victory of yesterday?
Yeah, of course, I wanted to do that. I never started a pursuit race and on the first place and win. So it was a big goal for me, and I'm happy that I did it.
Your running performance was fabulous also today. You had Martin under control at each stage. Did that surprise you?
Martin is very fast. You can always count on that he will push every lap. But I wanted to run my own race and run my own pace. So I think I did a good job today.
Tell us about the missed last shot.
Oof.
Just already on the course.
Yeah, I wanted to shoot clean, but it is very hard. I was not so much times in these positions that I shoot on the lane one, the last shooting. If you remember the beginning of the season when we were in mixed relay, I missed 4 and then I went into the penalty loop. So I'm sorry that we don't have the relay team that is stronger, so I could get more used to that situation. But I will do my best in the solo races to learn and one day to be better.
Simon, can you tell us a little bit about your attack on this last stretch, passing Martin from your view?
Yeah, it was not easy on the track. Only one piece of the track was a little bit faster than the others because of the new snow, and yeah, I think it was fair. And we talked about at the flower ceremony about the situation, and yeah, I think it's okay now. And yeah, I have had no other chance to pass him. I had a little bit more power, but for sure I had much better material as him, and yeah, but I think it's okay now.
6 podium in a row, what do you say?
Yeah, it's amazing. Last competitions were crazy for me. I was always on the podium, so I didn't expect that, but yeah, for sure I'm really happy about it.
You had for sure some more time now to think about new goals. What are they now?
Yeah, the view on the overall ranking is really nice for me, and I hope I can. I hope the place is the same or a little bit better at the end of the season, and yeah, I didn't expect that I'm on the second place after the 6th World Cup in the season, but yeah, I'm really happy about it. My shape is good, and I'm really satisfied.
Martin, glad to be back on the podium or upset about the final result?
No, I'm happy to be back on the podium. I did my best today. I had a shoot clean, I had a good shoot, and yeah, my shape was okay. So yeah, I'm satisfied about my result, even if I expect more for sure.
You already mentioned your good shooting. You showed really a fast and secure shooting, but not the normal aggressiveness on the skis. Can you tell us about how you feel at the moment?
Yeah, as Simon told, I think my material was not the best today, and I had a lot of difficulties to follow Jakov and Simon. I really push a lot on the first loop to stay on the lead on the leading group, and it was a bit too much for me for the final attack because I made all my race before.
Simon mentioned it about this one scene of the race with the attack. Can you tell us your view?
Yeah, as Simon told, there is no problem for me. The track was not easy to ski, as Simon said. But as he said, and as I also said before, I had no more power to fight with them because I gave too much on the beginning of the race. So that's yeah, that was a bit tense on the moment, but yeah, it was not possible for me to fight on the same conditions. So Simon was just stronger on the final. No more things to say.
And can you tell us a little bit about the summary of this week and all the impressions of the stadium, the spectators, and that stuff?
Yeah, we already talked about it with Simon and Jakov, and we are both really happy about the crowd in Nowe Mesto, and that was just amazing to compete in this atmosphere. The Czech fans are really loud, and so that was really good for us. They. I think we both felt like at home. So yeah, I think what's a good week for biathlon. It's good to see that biathlon is people love biathlon outside of Germany too.
Okay. Do we have other questions? No. Thank you very much.